guys, and welcome back. So this is going to be a very short clip about shower panels. In this case we are not going to put any shower panel on the walls. We are just going to take them down because I want to see what is going on at the back. These panels here stayed for a few years and now they just need replacing, and you are going to see that on my other video. But at this point I'm very curious to see what is going on at the back, if they are that good that they are saying, you know, maybe you get leaks or maybe you get mold, if they were installed properly, surprises like that. I don't know what is at the back, so that's why I want to take them down now with you guys and see what is going on. I can see here where they join the panels, they put some silicone in. The panels are very away apart from each other, so you can see here the silicone. I took a bit down. It's going a little bit off. So anyway, I just want to know if these panels are going to do their job. So let's see what these panels are hiding at the back. Let me just put my gloves on. Okay, so I have to say that I'm impressed. All the walls, they're looking dry, so it seems that the panel, they've done their job. It was quite difficult to take them out, but there is one small leak here in this corner. So yeah. So there is a little bit around here. So that means we just took it out in time, because that is starting already to bring mold and make a leak downstairs. Okay, so right now just need to take that shower tray out to see if it's hiding something at the back. So let's see if water went at the back of the panels in between the shower tray and the wall. So the board here, it's a little bit moist. It's just a small corner. It's not much, it's okay, but that's how everything is going to start. From a small leak to a bigger one. Going downstairs to the kitchen or toilet, bedroom, whatever is going to be down there, you will need to replace then the ceiling and painting the walls and stuff like that. In this case it's not that bad, but it was already starting to leak. and that is not because of the panels, that is just because it needed a little bit more silicone at the bottom. Usually when I'm going to put a tray on or a bathtub, I'm just going to put some silicone around the edge here, press it against the wall, and then silicone on top. And after that you can come with the panels, you can lay the panels exactly on top and silicone around like you can see here. So I think in this case the panels done a great job. Okay, so I think that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.